Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. Today we are going to discuss about resonance. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Without delay, let's get started. Resonance, it is defined as representation of molecule in more than one structure and none of them explains all the properties of the molecule. Singly is called resonance. If take ozone molecule, these are the two possible Lewis dot structures for ozone. Single Lewis dot structures can't explain all the properties of the molecule. These two are called as canonical forms. Bond length of single bond is more than bond length of the double bond. If take approximate values for single and double bond, the 148 picometer is the bond length for single bond, 121 picometer bond length for double bond. If spectroscopically, if you observe the value we got in between 148 picometer and 121 picometer, which means the value in between single and double bond. And if you want to break the double bond, we want more energy than single bond. If mixing of first structure and second structure, we get the resonance hybrid. In resonance hybrid, we got bond enthalpy values and bond length values are similar because of resonance. It is resonance hybrid. Rules for writing resonating structure. The first rule is resonating structures have the same position of atoms, only differ in the movement of electrons. Means atoms should be constant, only movement of electrons only differ. Second rule is resonating structures have the same number of unpaired electrons and the same energy. Molecule should be have same number of electrons. See here oxygen 2, here number of electrons should be same. Okay. If take CO3 2 minus, it is the Lewis dot structure for CO3 2 minus. If bond, this double bond, if it moves clockwise direction, this bond comes here, this bond go, it comes here, this bond will go there. We get the second structure. If 5 bond is move to here, if move here, this bond will go there, this bond will come here, we got the third structure. Okay. Bond order is equals to total number of bonds equals to divided by resonance structure. If take ozone, total number of bonds 1 2 3 and how many resonating structures here? 2. 3 by 2 equals to 1.5 bond order. Similarly, for CO3 2 minus ion, 1 2 3 4 bonds and how many Lewis dot structures are resonating structures? 3. We got the 1.33. Here 1.33, 1.33, 1.33 bond order. Characteristics of resonance. Resonance stabilizes the molecule. More the number of resonating structures, more will be the stability of the molecule. Because of resonance, all the bond lengths became same. Canonical forms have no real existence. Means canonical forms, these are the canonical forms. These canonical forms have no real existence. These are the hypothetical only. These resonance structures, resonance hybrid only real existence. More the number of resonating structures, more interaction will occur and more energy will release. Whenever energy releases, stability will be more. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.